this out. People were looking at it, you guys are crazy. You get a gas tank powder coated? I was like, no, dude, that's if you know what happens here in the Rust Belt, you know,
true, very true.
When your car smells like gas. Right there. These are the new connectors. So we'll need these. This one.
It should only go one way, right?
Yeah.
Or are they different?
Look the same to me.
I thought they would be keyed a little different to
I thought so too.
differentiate.
But
no,
here they are.
Always swap them,
Yeah, I mean,
if they're wrong.
we'll see it right now if they're wrong, but because they sit pretty much the same way. Yeah, let's get into the garage and then we'll put those pads on there. We'll put this one up.
Is there gaskets that we have to put on the straps?
I do not have gaskets on the straps, but the straps themselves, because the straps go on the cover. There's no gasket, so we have the cover on this already. So the straps have been powder coated to the color of the car.
Right.
Thank you, All Star Powder Coating, Mr. Goggin, Santino, Lou, guys. Always doing a really good job for us. The tank, the floors. I don't need to keep going. Just know we did it. All right, you warming up, man?
Yeah, I'm good, bro. Vamos.
Instalamos este. Oh yeah, we see the super slap one on. This is what it looks like real quick. Here. It's hot, yeah. It's hot. Yeah, but that's on the front. Yeah. Of the 3-inch studs, the APR studs. We have one for Reckless. I have one in my box. We have the cut kit in the downstairs for the grunt. So we have plenty of. We have 3 more sets of APR 3-inch studs. Like I said, that one set's going to the grunt because we have the regular stock studs on there. And now with the 315s in the rear on that one, you know. And wait till you see that grunt, Eddie. Man, the rear end on that thing just looks massive. It's
we didn't bring your back out, did we?
I thought I brought it out here, but I didn't. Oh yeah, it's here. We got this piece and the neck. So we run the new the stainless steel line. That's gonna stay in there. Okay, so we're gonna put this over here.
What's all this stuff here? This is
that's the hardware for
I don't think we need that's not for gas tank.
What is that?
the hardware.
Yeah.
Oh, this is. I thought some of these went here. So, or for the because we got to put the foam here. We got to put that foam here.
Right.
This guy goes here now. He gets threaded from the top down,
Or from underneath the car, you mean?
or from the top. I mean, from this way or this way up. Do you know?
I'm not sure actually. I'm trying to remember.
I'm trying to remember if that's the way it goes.
Yeah, it could go like underneath the car. That's what I'm thinking.
Because it looks like the holes are coming from the bottom up.
Yeah, that's
You know what I mean?
exactly what I was thinking.
So, did you put it? It doesn't. It's the same as these. It's
Yeah, like trim.
yeah. It's trim.
Yeah.
It's trim work. Okay. We'll go. Well, those are trim. We'll put those in there. And this is trash.
You know, they got like a master kit for all the.
What we're gonna do now. So as you guys seen right now, man, I had the Mountain here give us a hand, and he came in here and helped us out pretty much. We set up these springs, and you guys know we made it look really easy, and it was rather easy. At the same time, there are no replacement for these things. So I just wanted to help for, you know, for my safety as well, because we have this car completely in the air and it's kind of teetering at the same time. Last thing I want to do is drop it, especially on myself. Regardless of the fact, right now what we're going to do, we're going to keep on rolling through, man, and finishing this thing up. We're going to be installing the gas tank, which you guys know we have powder coated over at All-Star Coatings by Mr. Goggin, you know, and the LaFemina family over there took care of us, and they'll always take care of all our powder coating needs as usual. And what we're going to do right now, we're going to start setting up this gas tank and get it ready, and then we're going to start running the lines a little later. So let's do it.
It's these guys, no?
No, those are for him.
Outside.
We need 4 for here and then the 3 for here.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
All right, so that's what I'm.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we're still missing screws.
Yep.
As such. Okay, so then this goes this way. This goes up here. Okay, so this just gets. Okay, so I don't need this here yet. Okay, there's this bolt. This is where we started. So I had one like this. That way we could
put it on
or
up here.
slide it in this way.
Yeah.
Is that the?
Yeah. So, yeah, it goes like this, and then this pin goes over here.
Just all the way across.
Yeah. I just figure we could. Oh, wait a minute now. That's kind of weird. This is. Okay.
Yeah, because
you kind of see where, let's see, I got my little hand light here. You know what? I see where my side has to go. You want to look over there on your along this side up there?
Yeah. So they're right there.
Okay, gotcha.
I'll strap. Leave me alone.
All right. You see where it might rub?
Yeah, yeah. It's directly right off this edge right here.
I saw in the video where it goes kind of crossways.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because it covers a big chunk. So it goes from here across like that. So it's good that we'll go this way with it.
Okay.
Across this way because it covers all this.
That's what I saw.
And then we'll go around that way.
Yeah.
Alrighty. That's what we'll do. Let's put those things on there. Want to keep this nice shiny gas tank in place. But we don't want to get it scuffed up, and at the same time these pads here will keep it slightly off of the car so it doesn't scrape or it doesn't make any noise while driving. There we go. Now the reason we put it like this is because it's got to cover this whole area right up here, because if not you're going to be banging it up all around. And the same thing we're going to do on that side. Alright, that's perfect. You got that, bro? Ow, in my ear. Let's tone it up. Is that your side? And then
thank you. Something like that.
perfect. You good?
Yep.
Excellent. Let's get it down there nicely.
That's how I saw it.
Alrighty. Oh, I like it.
Mikey likes it. I like it.
It's like a sound dead, right?
It's like a gasket,
Rubbing.
so it doesn't, so it's not rubbing back and forth on the bare metal of the car.
I actually peeled off mine like real gingerly so I could reuse them on my car. Here's a screw for you, my friend.
I can hold it up if you need me to.
You know what I forgot to do is to go get the socket like I said I was going to.
Suckers. it started?
Okay. It's on there.
All right. Now.
All right.
Awesome.
Hallelujah, huh?
Let me see. It's like I like in a bad angle, huh?
Can you get it down like that? Oh yeah, you have to angle it from that way.
That's just so weird.
There's 10 parts in there, right?
Yeah. But the thing about it is the angle of it is so. Okay, here we go.
He had that Cutlass, a 74 with a 350 in it, and it had white interior.
Ooh.
The outside paint was like faded, like he never washed it or waxed it, and it had a white Landau top. Well, white interior, and the interior was greasy, man, greasy as hell.
And it has that swivel seat.
Are the little holes being plugged up there, or
The what?
the little holes? Because I can't see them.
Oh, here, let it loose. I can see them.
I only got one in there.
I could see. Okay, yeah, the other ones appear to be.
All right, then let me move it around because
Yeah.
that's the position for it.
Okay. I'm just trying to hold it so it don't fall on your head.
Let me see.
It looks pretty close.
About like this?
Okay, yeah, that might be it. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that I can see pretty.
Perfect.
There we go. Gonna need a little go-go juice in there. Slides through. All right. Yeah. Oh, this one down here goes. All right.
Yeah.
Now you gotta shove it in there because it's the way to go. Let me know if you need me to push.
That's in. I'm
Okay.
going in.
All right, we're good. We're seated.
We're seated.
We're seated, brother. We're seated.
And we're seated here. There we go.
Ah, yes.
Perfect. And that's the way it goes. That's the way it just holds it in place. All right. There you go, bro. You got it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Put some WD, little bit of lube.
Come on, flashlight. Don't strobe it.
Did it die?
No, I charged it up this morning.
He's there, just, yeah. Just require.
You get in there.
I think I got it.
Yes, you do.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, it just, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can see I'm catching, right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
This is so cool to see that the girls already have this done. That's best word. Yeah. That's right now.
Perfect.
Yeah, I don't. My brother. Oh my God, he's notorious for over tightening everything. My older brother.
I like the contrast too.
We had to redo a chain.
It's a great idea, Ed.
Yeah. It was shocking too. We never.
I got them. I got the tops a little bit, but they're spinning, so I'm gonna need a wrench and some pliers. And yeah, I that one especially, the one on the passenger side. Yeah, because I got the other one downstairs. I just wanted to put it on there. Yeah, so now we got our tank in. So it's time to run some fuel lines and start running up that fuel pressure regulator up to the front and see if we can get this bad boy started in the next couple weeks. Alright everyone, as you just saw us do, man, I had here my man the Mountain giving us a hand with this torque arm bar, and then the sequencing of just torquing everything down to the pan hard bar that we installed it earlier. We've done that. We got everything up to specs. We torqued everything down, and now we installed the gas tank, getting it ready for our next couple steps. So for today, I think we're some maximum success. We get the tires on, and until we get our spacers put into the trans mount and get everything up set up in front with our wiring, we'll be bringing it down to see what it looks like. So, what a tiring little experience, but you know what, an experience overall. I want to thank everybody on our YouTube channel, watching us on Facebook, on Instagram, following us on Pinterest. Thank you very much, guys. Keep giving us some comments. If you see we did something wrong, don't hesitate in pointing it out. Just remember, subscribe. The next 2 videos will be coming up. We'll see you guys soon, man, when we get this bad boy started.